Lake Air Montessori Magnet School is located in a safe and quiet community next to the Extraco Event Center and a First United Methodist Church on Cobb's Drive. The homes in this community are kept up and look neat from the street view. The average home in this area sells for around $157,000. Since Lake Air Montessori is a magnet school, majority of their students do not live in this surrounding community. There are 654 students in this school. 109 are African American, 402 are Hispanic, 126 are white, and there is one Native American. Out of the 654 students, 521 are economically disadvantaged, 84 are limited English proficiency learners, and 332 are considered at risk. Lake Air provides many different programs for their students. These programs include bilingual and ESL education, career and technical education, gifted and talented education, and a special education program. The students in my teacher's classroom are considered average, but in her classroom alone, there is 2 limited English proficient learners. 3 of the students have ADHD, 5 wear glasses, 2 have a cognitive disability, 2 have an emotional disability, and 2 have a learning disability. My teacher incorporates visual learning by using a document camera and kinesthetic learning by using counters and models to help when she teaches math. There are very many learning styles. For instance, my student learns best visually and kinesthetically. When working on our math problems, I noticed that she did better when she was able to see me do a problem and then she was able to duplicate it. Expo markers also played a role in her learning because she was able to draw pictures that she could visualize, and made it easier for her to work the problems. She also enjoyed using the flashcards and counters that we have at our Tarleton Center, and she seemed to be more excited and learned faster when we were able to incorporate these into our lessons. After talking to both my student and her teacher about her prior learning, I found out that her least favorite subject is reading. Her teacher also stated that she has trouble second-guessing herself and not having the confidence she needs when it comes to the subject of math and reading. So from talking to her teacher about her background in learning, I realized that her problem wasn't necessarily math, but the reading incorporated in math and the confidence needed to handle each problem. Once I found out that reading was what held her back, then we worked on breaking down word problems. Having the problems broken down into smaller pieces seemed to help her glide through them more easily. I also made it a big point to praise and encourage her during our sessions.